Yeah. What do you think?
Holy crap.
Squirrely?
How come it's like...
Holy shit.
What?
Yeah, it's got some balls.
I told you so.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
It's hard to manage.
Yeah, it is.
Bring it in closer and point it and lay a strip. Yeah, yeah. Oh. That's a donut. Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Okay,
What
go
bin's in the back?
lock the back of the bin. Usually I don't have to put it in. I've never had it on his roof.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh no, wait, these two gotta go. Help fall out, I get the camera. Lock them back ones in, yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. I just want to drive. Here. Hey. Keep it on the wheels.
You should have known who was driving it.
Yeah.
Holy. Oh my God. Squirrely.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's pretty crazy for a 30-pound truck.
30, 60. Jesus.
Wow.
There's 60. Like it? Yeah, I think it's too much for the ice with studs. They just fire the studs out. Yeah. Oh, she makes quite the dust storm. Oh yeah. Front tires aren't touching the ground. Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is. I told you. It's like I've never driven anything like it.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like stupid. Yeah. But if you get a 5T, that's what you want. You want that kind of jam. Okay. I like two-stroke, but I don't like bleh.
You basically gotta let go of the steering. Just
Yeah.
as soon as you go straight. It's
Well, the tires aren't touching the ground. Yeah.
Let me get rid of your grass.
Oh, I got strips in front of the house. They're just burnt. Yeah. You can do some drifting in the dirt. Yeah. Oh yeah. I was in here. I couldn't even see where I was driving. Yeah. Yeah. There's a picture. Yeah. Yeah, let that calm down. I got a picture of that after. Yeah. That'd be cool. So you can drift the whole thing. Oh. You're going the other way. And that's just with pin tires. Yeah. Where is it? I only had to build 5 to get it right. Yeah.
wow.
Hey Mikey, he likes it.
I think I want one.
No pull cords.
Oh my God.
What?
That's nuts.
That's not even wide open. Just dancing. What?
Yeah, that's nuts. Wow.
It's like, ah, this is 60 pounds. It'll break my legs.
Yeah, it's like you're afraid to hold it.
You just hear it tearing.
Jesus.
You know the tires ain't grabbing. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah. Beep, beep. Although that's the strongest pin tires I've ever had. I'm waiting for a foamy to blow out. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Battery might be getting low. I wasn't fully charged, right? Yeah. She quit? Yeah.